So what I want to do is show you what I'm working on and tell you thank you for all the messages that I got on the last video. Just let it go already. These packages have sold out quickly. I only do so many packages, like I said, so I have a couple extra lace ones that I'm going to do. It's a specialty due to our 10 years being out here on the internet with my shop, and 20 some behind that in brick and mortars, as most of you already know. The vintage clothing we're working on, and many other things. So I'm going to move on with it, show you what's available, show you what's going to come up available, and you're going to see these type of videos pop on when I have the time to put out the extras. So did you see the boot? I don't even know if you can see it. It's got a bow on the other side. So I designed them shabby chic. So cool. So anyway, just the presentation, so pretty. I make everything pretty in my world. I always have. My mother, who passed almost a year ago on May 13th, said that I live in a rose-colored bubble, and I like it here. I have a sister who's totally opposite of me, has a beautiful home. She's the baby sister. Two of my sisters passed already. It's just shocking and hard to even believe me saying that out loud, being one's younger than me. But she is completely, I don't know what you want to call it, folk art, country, what have you. Her home is beautiful with country items. Anyway, she does a lot of sales on country pieces that she gets, and she I'm going to say redesigns, because that's what I do. I redesign. I'm going to be adding her on my new Facebook. The link is below. You can follow over there. That Facebook is going to be actively for crafts and things that we're selling along the way, and I'm bringing her in on that. And also, you know, what's going to be available. We'll see how the selling goes on there. It's probably still going to be the link right to my shop, because we don't have time to do extra selling throughout all these sites. I said that on my video. We just don't. And you could go through my site, or you could go through PayPal. It's the only two ways that we do it. That's it. We're not doing this app, that app, that app, that app. We don't take checks. We don't, nothing. It's all legal, LLC, and that's it. So I'm just going to show you this quickly. I don't want to take up a lot of your time. I know it's Saturday, and I really want to get back to what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you this package up close. There's only going to be 6 of them. Once they're gone, they are gone. And then I am done with the packages. I was going to bring these out in May, but being that I'm at this point, I'm going to show you now. So hold that thought so I could bring you closer. And she is like wild today because I'm chatting, and she hates when I chat. And it's not about her. She's a diva. I got a diva cat, no doubt. So, and then next thing to follow, well, you're going to see the vintage suit and the boots coming up. So anyway, it's not wrapped yet, but it's going to be in the cellophane. And these are the pieces that you're going to get. And I don't know if this is going to be easy to do this, but I'm just going to kind of try to lift it so you could just see how pretty. All the laces range from $8 a yard and up. So these are half yard pieces, okay? And then there's a few pearl buttons, a few flowers, a couple of bows, well, the thank you bow, of course. And then you could always put something over the thank you and use the bow. And then 2 pretty cards. And there's 5 or 6 lace, but I'm going to show you that. 6, I think. So you got the pink bow. You got 2 cards. They're so pretty. They're embossed. They're raised. 2 pretty flowers. No 2 will be the same in the packages. The lace will, but the cards and the flowers may be of different sizes, but same coloring, same palette coloring. 2 really pretty, they're buttons, but they're pearl, and they're real pretty for you to add. Put them right there. Got 2 pretty bows, which go on a lot of my journals. Okay, get over here. There's 4 of the appliqué, because this isn't going by half a yard. This goes by appliqué, so there's 4. 1 package per customer. I'm going to say that now because I had somebody almost buy up all of them. 1 package per customer. First come, first serve. Get in the emails. This is the thick. So I'm going to show you this before I show you that I started this beautiful journal here. I have many ladies reaching out now on that journal. But this is that beauty. Okay. The thickness. She's gorge. Gorge. So you got a half a yard at that. And they're measured. And then you got a half a yard of this one, which is beautiful. It's so thick. These are not thin by any means. And that is that one. Okay. So that's 2. And then you got this delicate one. And this has a shimmer to it. You're not going to see it today. It's too cloudy. It's pouring here. So that's 3. That's where my cat got me yesterday. And then this beautiful gorgeousness. I have a lot, but I need it for all my vintage journals for the next year. So it's gorge. The appliques are beautiful on this. Wait, I think that's the opposite way. No, it ain't. Gorge lace, different on both ends. Stunning. This comes in the vintage, and it comes in the white. And there is a piece of each in this package. Here is the vintage. Here is the white. Okay. So that's the vintage and that's the white. And then again, you got this beautiful silky style, and there's a shimmer. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this beautiful piece. And then 6 is the applique. And I'm only doing 5 because that's all I'm willing to give up on these. I did a lot of these. So you got 5 there, plus the 4 appliques, the 2 flowers, which are very pretty, 2 of the beautiful cards, 2 of the bows, and 2 of the pretty pearl buttons to add to your journals or what have you, whatever you're going to use it for. And of course, our thank you bow. So that's a package. They'll be in the cellophane. That will be on the cellophane. And there's only so many available. Get in the email, ladies. You're going to have time. The girls will put out the time, so you don't have to rush. You have to go to the email underneath. If you're not a member, if you're a member, you could just go into the shop and email through there. It's a little quicker than going through the regular email because if you don't know, you got to put it in. But first come, first serve. So there's only 5. And then they're gone. And so now I got a few messages. Oh, I just remembered I could feel it underneath her. Somebody asked about these. I don't have any other ones to show you. I keep this one because I love this. But yes, one will be exactly like this. And then there will be 6 others. There's actually 7. I could do 8. Just do the even 8 in the package. And they come in different styles with different ephemera. No 2 the same. The only thing I could tell you is everyone will be getting this one, but not exactly what these 2 pieces, because these are from a collection that sold out. But the other ones I have. So it's sewn, it's laminated, and there's 8 in a package. They're very few. You're going to see this photo and explanation in the description in the shop. As soon as this video is over, I'll put it in there. I'll put the tags back in there. The quilt ones are gone, but this, you'll see the picture of this package. That will be in there. And when they're gone, ladies, they're gone. That's it. And there's many others throughout the internet that you can get pretty packages with. And I do want to say that I've decided to take that old book I was telling you about with those portraits, and I'm going to laminate each portrait. And then I'll put them up for sale, the ones that I'm not going to keep for my own journals. When I laminate it, I will cut the top, and it will be a pocket, so you can take it out very carefully, or leave it there, what have you, whatever you decide. Just be very careful. But it's going to be a way that I'm going to protect the portrait itself. That's down the road. Vintage, we're down the road yet on the vintage style everything, because I'm now full shabby chic at the moment. Waiting for all the rest of the blues to come in so I can do some blues packages. But anyway, she is mine. Now here's the emails that I got. She's so big. Could I split the second one in half? I could do that. If I got 2 orders on the pink, I can split it in half, which will still make it like a normal size journal. This is larger because it's going to go on my bed, and I already started it. I'm not sure if you could see it, but the frame, actually, I painted it and put crackle on it. I could see the crackle, but I highly doubt you're going to see it today because of this lighting. And then I put the gloss over it, which is, this is the gloss that I'm going to be using on a lot of crafting stuff I'm going to be doing. Okay. And then the crackle paste is the Distressed Crackle Paste. Oop, translucent. So I'm going to be doing a lot of projects with these two coming up, and even on my journals. So you'll see that, especially the art journals. Lots of fun coming, not just things selling, lots of fun coming. I decided to do the Facebook, like I said, again. Go on the Facebook below, underneath the video, and there's the link directly to the Facebook that's open to the public. And it's really just for followers commenting. And I'm going to get active on that. That page, actually, I could sell from. So that's what I'm doing that for. And then I'm going to be doing projects, craft projects, journal, this, that, whatever. Whatever comes out, comes out. And I just filled this. I love this. I have 2 of these. I have the second one filled with all kind of trim. But anyway, I just started this, so not a lot is done. So I did the frame. I took the square one for here. I'm going to put something very pretty here, but I don't want to cover it all because the quilt is just gorgeous. I added the applique. I added this beautiful lace, so it's beautiful on both sides. And I'll show you what I'm going to be doing. And then I added, of course, you saw the inside. Again, we're not going to see the glitter because of the lighting. But I added this beautiful lace, and I will not sell this by anything. Because I have so many journals I'm going to be doing. But anyway, I did 2 signatures with the white crisp paper. And there is, let me see what you can see. Oh, you can see it perfectly, okay. This beautiful lace on both with the appliques. So, if someone purchases the second large one, it will look just about exactly the same. You're going to get the applique with these lace pieces. The smaller one will look different because it's smaller, but I will still put the appliques and this lace in the 2 smallers. So if you're interested in them, that's just like my regular size journal that will be on. I don't think we'll get 2 out of that. No, we won't. Well, we'll get 1. And then I'll have that extra piece in the middle, which I'll probably just use inside the journal itself. So, yeah, I can do it this size. It's only going to be 1. Either way, it turns out to 1. And the extra piece that I have to take out in the middle to take it down to the size, I'll use it inside. So, get a hold of Brenda if you want it in that size. That's my normal size for my journals. So, anyway, it will have this print on the inside and then this loveliness that you're looking at. It will have white pages also, 2 signatures, and that's how it's going to be. This is so large because I have large pictures of my grandchildren that I want to put in on these pages, and my parents and things like that, my sisters, whatever. This will be my bedroom for that reason, and then I'll be journaling personal stuff in there. So that is what it starts to look like. And then once I'm completed, before I put my personal stuff in there, I'll show you all the additives that I added inside. Like, yes, and I know I got a lot of this. Like this is going to go in there, some of the pink lace will go in there. Some of the pink fabrics are going to go in there. You know me. So that's where it's at. So, okay, ladies, so that's going to be one more. And see how pretty this is? I love this. Love, 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 Laura Ashley. Look at how gorge. Gorge, gorge, gorge. Just love it. It's beautiful. Only one, ladies. That's it. Only one. That's it. I'm moving on to all the rest. And this is definitely for a shabby chic lover. Don't forget about these packages. There's only going to be a few. There goes the flower. I'm going to wrap this, get the picture taken, get it in the shop. And if it makes it to the shop, it may not make it to the shop, so you have to email. And put the shabby chic tags back in. So that will be these, the shabby chic tags, those linen packages, 5 of them, and the pink one that will be available for this before the end of this month, which is April. Now, when I said about all the other journals on the video, when I said at the end of the month, I meant May. There'll be like 9 journals during May and for the end of May. This one will make it before the end of April. All the rest of them will come out in May. And that's the story. And that's where I'm at. Gorgeousness. So I'll have a lovely Saturday. I hope you enjoy the next little part of this. It's the vintage collection, which I'm starting. I have collaborators already from home decor to more vintage to whatever. That will eventually come down the road. Nothing is rushing me out of doing my journals. It's all about my journals and packages and lovelies. And the packages are because of the 10-year. I do not do this all year. There'll be a few more things coming out, but they're going to be on the smaller clips. So make sure to subscribe. Throw me a thumbs up. A little pretty hello would be nice. And check out our Facebook because I'll be live on there doing things. It's Nisi, and I just wanted to show you that I'm starting some of the vintage clothing line on my videos today. And there'll be many packages and journals coming along. It's going to be all mixed in. Isn't this cute? For you ladies of, I don't know, 50 and over. This is like a 1970s. I found it in a vintage store. Is it not adorable? And I'm not sure if you could see the boots, but I designed the boots. Aren't they awesome? Shabby chic boots? Yes, yes, yes. And then I found this lovely to match. What do you think, ladies? Very vintage, isn't it? So comfortable. I'm actually surprised that I'm in it. But it wasn't for that gallbladder surgery. I wasn't this light. However, my normal weight is like 110. I'm probably like 128 right now. I'm trying to stay there. So isn't this adorable? Right? For the vintage. Now back to the shabby painted rose. So just a reminder, I am back working on Sophia in Paris in all the pink and mauve. Sophia in Paris in the blues. Just waiting on some more material to show up here. I did do a lot of printouts from a different artist. Everything is underneath the video, all of our links, all the ladies that I chose that are very nice, communicating back and forth. Check out their Etsy shops. I don't really sell but a couple printables. I'm definitely a designer of physical items, but you'll find some lovely printables down there. Give them some love. And happy weekend to everybody. Enjoy your life. Be kind and sweet. Be a giving person and treat everybody with the utmost respect. God bless you all, and we'll see you soon.